I'm going to be doing something to this Fiddle Leaf propagation station. I cut this about a month ago and nothing really has been happening to these two. There's one that has roots, so I think the time has been long enough to see what is going on. This one is looking okay, but this other one is the one that is looking plain bad. So what I'm going to be doing, and this is already the beginnings of fall, which is when plants don't have as much energy for growing, but more like going dormant, most of them. So I know that my chances are very slim, but I still want to do something to try to save them. They have their 3 leaves, and my plan for today is I'm going to cut the branch a lot more. One of the leaves, whichever looks either too big or maybe sickly, I don't know, I haven't been checking them closely. I wanted them to do their thing, but you know, these two have been not doing anything. And then I'm going to put them in this new container together. It's just, well, literally bottled water, no chlorine, and see if that helps. The other one was chlorine water overnight, and I put their hormone, the growth hormone, but seems like maybe they just were not in the perfect spot, or something happened. Maybe they were a little too long. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new around here. So I have my sterilized shears. I always feel a little bad when I have to chop something from a plant because I need to, or because I have to. In this case, I'm going to put them together to see if it makes them a little happier. Okay, this has some little white dots which have been giving me hope, but I think I'm just going to trim them. I have a little extension over here of the one leaf node and another leaf node. I'm also going to remove the little covers. Not that I think it matters much, but let's just do that in order to save this thing. And we're going on an angle. And I'm going to put my root hormone. The fact that I don't see any sap makes me kind of wonder. But anyway, there's the hormone. And now I'm going to chop one of the leaves. All of them look beautiful to me. This one. Sorry for the shaky camera, I'm just trying to show you. And here goes to the water. This new cut. I will be making sure that it is all the time underwater. Not that it wasn't before, but I'm going to keep a closer eye. Hopefully it will make it. So here's the second one, which looks kind of bad. I don't know if you can see. So for this one, I will start by chopping this leaf and then chopping right under, yeah, right under here. Put the hormone. And now it is very short, so I'm going to have to stick it, kind of folding the leaves a little bit. Both are underwater. Both have a new cut. And I'm going to place them in the sunny window where they were. I'm going to just rinse this and put them away. And I will give you another update whenever I have one, whatever it happens to these two. To see more fiddle leaf and more plants, click over here.